Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin.
Question 71. Read the passage. For most of the game, the mentor pushes the hero to trust no one and rely only on strength. Yet in the final battle, the hero wins not by fighting alone, but by trusting the allies he once pushed away. Which theme does the passage best develop? Here are your choices. A. Strength is the only path to victory. B. It is wrong to make friends during a war. C. Cooperation can succeed where lone strength fails. D. Mentors always give the best advice. The correct answer is C. Cooperation can succeed where lone strength fails. The hero wins by trusting allies rather than fighting alone, developing the theme that cooperation beats going it alone.
Question 72. Read the passage. The update promised balance. Instead, one class became so strong that 90% of ranked batches featured it, while other players abandoned their favorite builds just to stay competitive. What is the central idea of the passage? Here are your choices. A. A patch meant to balance the game unintentionally made it less varied. B. The developers refused to release any updates. C. Ranked matches are the only mode worth playing. D. Players enjoy trying many different classes.
The correct answer is A. A patch meant to balance the game unintentionally made it less varied. The passage shows an update meant to balance instead pushed everyone towards one class, reducing variety. Question 73. Read the passage. Aloy tracked the machine for hours across the ridge. She noted the shallow prints, the broken branches, the faint trail of oil. When she finally crouched at the cliff's edge, she smiled. The beast was exactly where she had predicted. What does the passage mainly reveal about Aloy? Here are your choices. A. She is a skilled and patient tracker. B. She is easily frightened by machines. C. She relies only on luck. D. She dislikes hunting alone. The correct answer is A. She is a skilled and patient tracker. Tracking for hours by reading small signs and predicting the beast's location shows skill and patience. Question 74. Read the passage. A good boss fight teaches without words. Its first phase is slow, giving players time to learn the pattern. Later phases speed up, punishing anyone who never bothered to study the earlier moves. Which best describes the text structure of this passage? Here are your choices. A. Cause and effect about player friendships. B. Compare and contrast between two games. C. Chronological, describing phases in the order they occur. D. Problem and solution about server crashes. The correct answer is C. Chronological, describing phases in the order they occur. The passage describes the first phase, then later phases, in time order, which is chronological structure. Question 75. Read the passage. The developer's blog post was titled, "Why Grinding Isn't Fun." It argued that forcing players to repeat dull tasks drives them away and urged studios to reward creativity instead of raw hours played. What is the author's main purpose? Here are your choices. A. To describe how to defeat a specific boss. B. To persuade studios to design games that value creativity over repetition. C. To explain the history of video game consoles. D. To entertain readers with a funny story. The correct answer is B. To persuade studios to design games that value creativity over repetition. The post argues a position and urges studios to change design, so the purpose is to persuade. Question 76. Read the passage.
The narrator swears the haunted mansion level is only a legend, insisting no such map exists. Yet every few sentences he mentions how cold the hallway feels and how the piano keeps playing on its own. What can the reader best infer? Here are your choices. A. The mansion is completely safe. B. The piano is broken and cannot play. C. The narrator has never played the game. D. The narrator is unreliable and is likely hiding the truth.
The correct answer is D. The narrator is unreliable and is likely hiding the truth. His denials contradict the eerie details he keeps giving, suggesting he is an unreliable narrator hiding the truth. Question 77. Choose the sentence that correctly uses the pronoun in the objective case. Here are your choices. A. The final quest was assigned to she and I by the king. B. The final quest was assigned to Zelda and I by the king. C. The final quest was assigned to Zelda and me by the king. D. The final quest was assigned to Zelda and myself by the king.
The correct answer is C. The final quest was assigned to Zelda and me by the king. As the object of the preposition to, the correct objective case pronoun is me, not I or myself. Question 78. Which sentence correctly punctuates the dialogue between two players? Here are your choices. A. Watch out for the trap, Mario warned. It triggers when you step forward. B. Watch out for the trap, Mario warned. It triggers when you step forward. C. Watch out for the trap, Mario warned. It triggers when you step forward. D. Watch out for the trap, Mario warned. It triggers when you step forward. The correct answer is B. Watch out for the trap, Mario warned. It triggers when you step forward. Quotation marks enclose the spoken words, commas set off the dialogue tag, and the continuing sentence stays lowercase inside the quotes. Question 79. Which revision best corrects the run-on sentence? The raid boss appeared, the whole team scattered in every direction. Here are your choices. A. The raid boss appeared, the whole team scattered in every direction. B. The raid boss appeared, whole team scattered in every direction. C. The raid boss appeared, the whole team scattered in every direction. D. The raid boss appeared, so the whole team scattered in every direction. The correct answer is D. The raid boss appeared, so the whole team scattered in every direction. Joining the two independent clauses with a comma and the coordinating conjunction so correctly fixes the run-on. Question 80. After the betrayal, the once loyal knight became a pariah in the kingdom, shunned by every faction and refused entry to every guild hall. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A. Social outcast. B. Respected leader. C. Secret spy. D. Skilled warrior. The correct answer is A. Social outcast. A pariah is an outcast, supported by shunned by every faction and refused entry. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.